I'm going to put the plate in on the back. Don't try this at home. Actually, yeah, try it at home. I don't care. Alright, it just so happens that my Oru Designs awning bracket comes with a backing plate. It seems to fit this perfectly. Aside from, I mean, the width of the two bolts is perfect. It's like 3 inches, I think. Only issue is I gotta drill holes either to match what's on the backing, or I drill holes into the mount. I don't know. Still deciding. But the fact that this is 60% of the way there, 80% of the way there is pretty incredible. All right. As far as positioning goes, I just put it up to where I thought I want it. Where I think it looks good and also has ample room to open and close the awning without issues. And then lowers a little bit better because of center of gravity. And I also put it on this front panel of the Oru Designs Bruin Pro rather than the back because of weight distribution. Center of the truck, much easier on the truck itself. Not that this is very heavy, but still, every little bit matters. So once I got it lightly positioned, kind of took notice of what measurement the bolts were at. Bowl holes I'm going to do at 14 inches from the bed rail of the truck, and then I will horizontally center the whole thing. This is 13 inches, almost on the nose, just under, so 6 7/16. That's in the center of the whole thing. So this is 14 inches right here. And the backing plate, 4 inches. I'm just going to mark it at 2. Line at dead center. So I'm going to mark my holes. We got our 4 points. Okay, so next thing I wanna drill 2 additional holes in the mount. So I'm gonna put 2 of the bolts on. Now we got it solid. Now we can drill some holes. 1/4 inch. Woohoo! I goofed up and I had to realign this. It was not straight, so I had to cut or drill a bit more. You can kind of tell these are a bit oblong, but it's a minor detail. I doubt I can ever return this now that I've drilled custom holes, but I don't really care. It's really good quality. Okay, got these lined up. I'm just gonna put a piece of tape right here and right here. So it's not gonna move, and I've got it like dialed in. Last thing I gotta check is make sure there's nothing on the inside. I gotta move my refrigerator. Don't mind the mess. So that's where I think you can see that. So it's gonna go right there. Nothing's in the way. Okay, sanity check. Plenty of clearance. I think it's gonna look good. I'm committed now. No going back. Okay, I'm in the thick of it now. So I'm just going to do the top row first. I'm going to put the plate in on the back. Ah! Don't try this at home. Actually, yeah, try it at home. I don't care. So I'm kind of holding the bolt on the inside. I'm going to slowly put on the lock washer. Okay. Slowly put on the bolt. I'm going to hold this. Put that in place. Okay, good. That wasn't too bad. I'll show you a video of the inside shortly. Oh, why am I making this harder on myself? Boy, what an idiot. Sometimes you just don't see the right way. Whew. Oh my gosh, that is sturdy. Okay, here is final install, and this is what the backing plate looks like. I'll zoom out a little bit. Super clean. Okay, this thing is fantastic. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And remember, when dealing with aluminum shavings, make sure to clean up your mess. These things are nasty. Like, they're getting into the dirt. Come on. Yes, I have painted toenails.